Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to recover permanently or temporarily deleted emails from Gmail. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Gmail app on your device, then delete few emails. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Bin. Here are all your deleted emails. You can see these emails till 30 days after this. They will be deleted automatically. Now those emails that you deleted more than 30 days ago are still available on the Google server. So you need to ask Google to give you back there. You need to type recover deleted emails in Gmail. Now scroll down here. Tap delete or recover deleted Gmail. Tap the 3 to tap Gmail now. Make sure to enter or log into your email account. Now tap the 3-dot line again. Tap Setting. Tap Help and Feedback. Tap Send Feedback now. You need to explain your problem. Now tell them that you want to recover old Gmail messages or pictures or whatever you want to recover after giving a proper explanation of your problem. Tap Submit. Once you submit your request to the Google Help Center, after that they are going to email you back and they are going to help you to get to your deleted email information on your Gmail account. So guys, these are two processes you need to follow to recover your deleted Gmail message. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.